Hello guys, this is Smart Solar Home Project with multiple features.
So let me just discuss the feature of this project. So this is the solar panel. So we have used 6 solar panel over here. So these 3 solar panel are in series, then these 3 solar panel also in series, and then they are in parallel. So they combined produce approximately 18 volt, which we use to charge the battery. So this is the battery and this is the indicator. You can see that this is a small indicator over here. So this indicator is just showing that the solar panel is producing the powers. Okay, and this is the on off button for the battery. This is 2.5 ampere 12 volt battery, which we charge with the help of these solar panels. And these are the manual charging point. You can see that these 2 points are the manual charging point. Means if you need if battery got discharged and you need urgent charging, then using these 2 points you can charge the battery. This is plus, red wire is plus and blue wire is minus. Now let me discuss the other feature of this project. So this is the house. So this house we have used smart street light over here, or you can say garden light. So this light will be on whenever there will be darkness, and this light would be off whenever there will be daytime. So during night time automatically on, during daytime automatically off. So this is the feature, one feature. So we are doing all this operation with the help of this LDR sensor. So this is the LDR sensor. You can see this is LDR sensor, and this is LM358 IC. So this IC will sense the signal of LDR sensor and accordingly will activate the relay, and then these relay will activate further the lights. Okay, so these are the light. Now next feature we are using is security system. So whenever something will come in front of the house, so immediately the audio visual indicator of the house will be on, so that the guard in the house will be alert mode, will be on the alert mode. And you can see these are the IR sensor pair. So they will produce radiations which are not visible to our eyes, and whenever something will come in front of this, maybe vehicle, maybe person, so immediately there will be a buzzer at the guard room and the indicator as well, right? This is the second feature, security system. The third feature is mobile phone charging. So with the help of this smart solar city, we are automatically charging the mobile phone with the help of these solar panels and the battery. So we are using multi-pin chargers over here, so you can charge any mobile phone. So let me just show you the live demo. So just on the power supply. Power supply is on, and you can see that this LDR is sensing the light, and that's why this indicator is on, and you can see that these street lights are off. Okay, so let me keep the dark environment on the sensor. Now you can see that automatically light on, light off, light on, and this cut sound is of the relays, right? Okay, now this is the IR sensor. So if let's say my hand is a vehicle or a person, so if my hand will come in front of this, then immediately the buzzer high power red color indicator would be on like this. And if you can see that this light would be off if something will come, right? So this is the second feature. Now third feature is mobile phone charging. So we are using the charger. So you can select any of the chargers. Let's say I'm going to choose this charger, and these are the charger, and you will see mobile phone charging start. You can just see mobile phone charging started, right? So this is how this is working. You can see mobile phone is charging. Let me just take it out, and you will see again mobile phone charging will start. Mobile phone charging. So this is how this project is working. If you want the individual circuit diagram like this IR sensor, the audio visual indicator, the LDR sensor, and the buzzer, you will get in the description below. Thank you.